Hey guys, if you want to know how to create this clean girl makeup look, then keep on watching. Let's start off with the priming process. I'm going to be taking the Pixi Beauty Serum. Now I have used this one. It's like a primer plus oil serum. Literally used so much of this. Just applying to give a dewy, glowy skin. I have dry skin, that's why I am using this. Next up, I'm going to be using the Putty Primer from e.l.f. This is one of my favorite primers. I absolutely love it. This has a slight sheer texture, as you can see. And I love that it gives like a hydrating look. As we are going to be skipping the foundation, I'm just using the concealer. This is the LA Girl Pure Pro Conceal Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. Honestly, this concealer is spot on, so I'm just applying. I'm also applying on my redness, like acne marks, which I have a little bit on my eyelids as well. I have a concealer brush which I'm just gonna use just like this. Look how amazing it looks, like literally so freaking natural. Next up, to set my under eyes, I'm just going to be using the K by Katrina's Banana Loose Powder. Just applying it like this to set my under eyes. Let's focus on to brows. I have two products over here. Now, as you see, I do not really need that much of a brow like product, brow gel, brow wax. So I'm just like combing it in and setting my brows in place. This is basically what I do. Sometimes I just fill it in, but I don't really think I need it. I'm using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and to set it up I have the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which I am going to use just like this. Let's quickly move on to eyes, and for that I have the K by Katrina Bare Soul palette. Now it has all the neutral shades and it is one of the most pigmented eyeshadow palettes I have seen. Also, it is really good, very pigmented, extremely high quality eyeshadow. So I'm just going to dip into the shade Toast using a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just gonna apply it like this. Just a very simple wash of color, neutral brown color on your lid. It makes it very natural looking. Just putting it like this, going into circular motions first on the corner of my eye and then going in windshield wiper motions like this. I'm just gonna take another brush and I'm gonna dip in Latte, which is this one, which is a bit more deeper than the other shade, and I'm just gonna blend it again, taking both of the shades and applying it on my lower lashes. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Balms Mad Lash Mascara. Look at the wand of this, it is insane. This mascara kind of separates your lashes really well and like lengthens them at the same time, and it literally gives you this false lash effect. Really don't know if you can see the difference, but oh my god, look at it. I'm just gonna close my eyes. Look at the difference, like maddening, crazy volume and crazy length. Like, I love this mascara. Lashes are done, I love them. Now let's move on to the blush and highlighter. So I have the e.l.f. Monochrome Multi Stick over here. This is in shade Dazzling Peony, and let me just open it for you. This is a cream blush which also has like glitter particles in it, so I'm going to be using this as a blush and a highlighter. Now let me just show it to you. Look how cute it is. I usually like to apply with a beauty blender or a finger when it comes to cream blushes. It is obviously easier with both brush and a sponge or with your fingers, but it looks way more natural when you apply it with your fingers. It blends in really well. Look how natural this looks. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to be using the Lakme's Matte Melt Mini. This is my favorite shade, 301 Nude Umbrella. This is my lips but a better shade, so it's perfect for the clean girl look. Lastly, I'm going to set it using the Pixi Glow Mist and just setting everything in. Okay, now this is my makeup look complete. This is basically the clean girl makeup look using all of my favorite products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Links to all the products will be linked in the description down below, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.